Intervals are turtle shells. My intervals, I know them very well. Now watch. Now when they're stuck close together, it's a second. I'm going to play this song. Will you point while I play? Because guess what? I see a keyboard floating in the water. Let me get it. Oh, how cool is that? I get to play it. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Point. Now when they're stuck close together, it's a second. When they're stuck. Welcome to the keyboard station. We get to do this one at the beach today. Go ahead and grab your magnets. We're going to be building our chords, our intervals, and finding C's and F's. You can pause this video, and I will just lay here and wait for you while you work. Back already? Well, it's time for you to choose the next station. Now, this special note has a special name, and I have a special song to go with our special note. Are you ready to hear it? Middle C has its own line, like seriously. I am learning how to skip, it's so fun. Do you remember how to skip on the staff? From a line to the next line, that's a skip. Is this a step or skip? Watch me play my bells. And I went a skip going up. I skipped right over that. Which way would I go? I'm gonna go up and skip only one key. That's a skip on the keyboard. Okay, here we go. Sit up tall, L-shaped arms, rounded like a bubble, fingers that are trouble, ready to play. Do, mi, so, do, fa, la, ti, re, so. Mi, so, do, fa, la. Goodbye, old paint, I'm leaving Cheyenne. What about this one? Ooh, do you see the third on the top and a fourth on the bottom? Which chord is this? It is the blue chord. And our treble clef, blue chord, and our bass clef, blue chord. Let's take a look at our stickers. Do you see our stickers have a fourth on the bottom and a third on the top? Grown-ups, if you want to play along down here, you can. This is the red chord, blue is next, I said. Now it's time to bubble down under the sea. Ready? Let's go. Ooh, we're under the sea. I see our sea friends. Let's sing and point. I hear a fish. So snowflakes are falling very gently. Snowflakes are falling down, snowflakes very gently. Down, down. 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop, pop. Did you get it? Okay, let's do a G. Find your G, and let's find it on the keyboard. Did you find it? Here he goes. He's walking on the piano. Ooh, which one is that? It's E, that's right.
I am Robin Hood, heading to the games, sneaking through the woods, practicing my aim. Shoot the arrow, watch it fly.
If I take the center of the target, which is the bullseye, and I put it right here, and I take my golden arrow, and I pluck a feather from my golden arrow, and I put it right here, now this says, shoot the bug. Bug in my sight, ready, here I come. Bring it home, drums. Shoot the arrow, watch it fly. Shh, shh, I'm practicing being a rest. Shh, shh. Do you see our target? Do you see Robin Hood's target? Wow. Do you see it way back there? Wow. I shot my own target. We made it to Bug City. Do you see all of our bugs hiding? Let's do our bug chant. Here's our bugs. I like bugs every kind. Here we go. Caterpillar, grasshopper, because the beat is the bug and the others play along. Here we go. Beetle, bug, shh, beetle, slug, shh, bug, shoo. And I'm going to place it under a cup. And let's see if you can guess which cup it's under. Ooh. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Awesome! How many hearts did we earn? Climb up my apple tree, shout down my rainbow, slide down my cellar door, and we'll be jolly friends. So la-ti-do, do, 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 do. Sag around the sun, sag around the moon, sag around the chimney top every afternoon. Roll that brown jug down to town, roll that brown jug down to town so early in the morning. Yay! The sheep. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the duck takes the sheep takes the pig, the sheep takes the pig. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the sheep takes the pig takes Jemiah, the pig takes Jemiah. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the pig takes Jemiah. Did you hear something at the end hiding? Bum, 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 boys come out to play. The sun is shining, it's bright as day. Leave your teddies and leave your toys and come to play with the girls and boys. Last time, la 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 la, so me do, la 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 la, so me do. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out and wiggle my waggles away. I gotta rest, shh, rest, shh, rest when day is done. Rest, shh, rest, shh.
Turn out your toe, Chommy-yamo go-go, then squat down low. Chommy-yamo go-go, now flap your arms and make a face. Chommy-yamo go-go.
No, you're too big. Oh no, we don't want the bumblebee in. Go get the guards, guards. Ooh, now the bees are a little worried. He's up on his horse again. Whoa! Bucked off! Oh, he's getting closer to the Gnome King. There he is.
No one will hurt us.
There's the Gnome King. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Welcome aboard! Here comes a big wave. Shh. Okay. Wah, 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 wah.